Well, Pentagon has put the cost of the Iran war estimate at over $11.3 billion for the first week of the conflict. And the cost of conflict now in its second week goes beyond just the oil and gas prices. For the U.S., economists estimate that the war to push U.S. inflation above 3% and remain elevated, complicating the Federal Reserve's job. Global crude prices have surged above $100 a barrel from about $70 before the West Asia crisis. And U.S. gas prices have soared before energy tankers stopped moving through the Strait of Hormuz. Cheap fuel had been a bright spot for the U.S. economy. The timing is far from ideal. Recent data has shown a steadily climbing unemployment rate, rising prices, and a population increasingly pessimistic about the U.S. economy. With midterm elections on the horizon, many are already speculating about the impending political fallout of this pain at the pump. Americans are historically very sensitive about gas prices and the effects. Social media is flooded with videos and posts of people commenting on the recent surge, and estimates show the US-led war on Iran is costing approximately $2 billion per day, with over $3.7 billion spent in the first 100 hours. Driven by high-intensity munitions usage, the conflict has caused oil prices to surge, with warnings of potential $200 per barrel, fueling global inflation and supply disruptions. Gasoline prices in the U.S. rose to about $3.58 per gallon, a 22% increase in 1 month. Energy bills and food prices are expected to rise, and that is particularly the biggest impact for the U.S. Inflation has become an extremely sensitive topic for Americans, with affordability now being the biggest narrative in the country.